Hey everyone, I'm Calvin with Southern Country Living, and today I'm just going to be doing a little quick video and show you what we're going to be having for lunch today. I did a video recently about some of our prepping supplies that we had purchased, and in those prepping supplies I had some cans of sliced pineapple that we bought, and I mentioned that we like to make pineapple sandwiches with them. And so one of our subscribers asked the question, how do you make a pineapple sandwich? They'd never heard of that. So I'm going to take you over here and I'm going to show you how I'm going to make our lunch today. This is a little favorite of ours. I've been having pineapple sandwiches ever since I was a little young kid. Mom used to make them all the time. And Marie, same thing. She's been enjoying them for years. And so let me take you over here and show you how we're going to make our pineapple sandwiches for lunch today. Okay, now to get started on these sandwiches, we like to use white bread, but you can use wheat bread or any type of loaf bread that you want to use to make your sandwich with. And I'm going to be using light mayonnaise, but you can use any type of mayonnaise you want to use. And I just go ahead and put a little mayonnaise on the top and bottom of the bread. Marie, she don't like a lot of mayonnaise on hers, so I'll put a light coat on hers. And like I said, we've been making these for as many years as I can remember. Marie, do you remember the first time you ever had a pineapple sandwich?
I think I remember I was around probably 6 or 7.
Yeah, it's something we've been doing for a lot of years. Okay, so I've got some mayonnaise on there. Then we always put cheddar cheese on it, and I like the sharp cheddar cheese. To me, it just has a better taste to it.
Back when we was growing up, we didn't have that much Coke, but we would drink Kool-Aid.
Yeah. Okay, so put one slice of cheese.
Getting a Coke was a treat.
Okay. And it's actually a pretty simple little sandwich to make. And this is the pineapple slices. I bought these at Walmart. We've actually had this can for quite a while. We keep our stock rotated. We don't use the ones that we just buy. But this one has been in the refrigerator. We put it in there and got it cool because we do like it cold. Okay. Now when you make your sandwich, you can put, what I like to do, I like to put 2 slices of pineapple on my sandwich and just lap them over a little bit. The rest of the pineapple that's in here, we will save it and we can have sandwiches another day with this same can of pineapple. Then just cover it up. Okay, let me get a plate over here and I'll plate it up for us.
I should have made us some Kool-Aid, and it'd been like in the days when we were kids.
There you go, Marie. Now, I can't cut it as pretty as Marie could cut it, but we'll see how I can cut this. Marie, I can't do as good as you do, hon.
I would use a serrated knife.
Okay. Well, that's why Marie's a cook. Let me cut the other one here. Okay, that one we did a little better. Okay, so there it is on the platter. And what we're going to have with this today, we're going to have just a few chips. Now, we don't always have chips with it, but this is Marie's favorite chips. We're going to have some salt and vinegar chips to go with it. Okay, so there you have it. Pineapple sandwich with salt and vinegar chips. It looks real good. We're going to get in there and have our lunch right now. Hope everybody enjoyed watching this video. I hope you'll be sure and hit the subscribe button and subscribe to our channel. And come back and see more videos. We like doing little meals like this.
Yeah, and everyone that likes our pineapple sandwich that tries it, put it in the comments below and let us know how you like it.
Yeah, that's a great idea. And if you make it a little differently, tell us what you do different to it. And we'll try your ideas too. Okay, thanks everybody. Y'all have a great day, and we'll see you on our next video.
Like a bird on a tree, I'm just sitting here. I got time, it's clear to see from up here.